Hello to the group, John Stewart, Holiday, Utah. I want to talk first aid, and where you're probably thinking, what's this got to do with fishing? Well, a week ago, doing some shore fishing with my wife, going back to the truck, she fell, hit a sharp rock, and sliced her hand. And my first aid kit in the Toyota Tacoma was based upon my experience when I was in the war in Baghdad. So I had a tourniquet, I had pressure dressings, I had everything but Band-Aids. And that was the wrong answer. And it made me say to myself, well, I'm going to have to change this up. I'm going to have to do something a little different. So here we go. Purchased this off of Amazon. I will put links in the description. If I can try to open this up. Holy moly. This was $9.99. It has 150 items in here, which I thought was, I don't know, pretty decent. More than decent. And it's nice and small. It's not something huge. I don't need a defibrillator. I need something to stop the bleeding. I need Band-Aids. I need small stuff. You know, maybe a safety pin. Some Q-tips. Because you kind of think about the big things, but it seems like it's the small things that always kill you. I'm sure it's from China, but hey, you know, it is what it is. So let's talk about this. Got some scissors. Nothing too great there. I might have to swap these out. Tweezers. I doubt I'll ever be using tweezers unless I get a sliver. Q-tips, that's good. Triangular bandage, that's good. And the brand is VRIEXSD. I don't know what that is. Okay, what do we got? Cleansing wipes, burn gels, prep pads, iodine pads. That's good. I could have used that. Antiseptic cleansing wipes. More wipes. Lots of wipes. Soap. Got the big stuff, which is nice. Oh, there's a packing list in here too. And some instructions. This is really good because when you're in the middle of the hairball, as the photographer Vincent Versace would say, you lose your mind. And you can read about how to do some stuff while your significant other is bleeding out. That's okay. Small sterile gauze squares. 2x2s and 3x3s. And adhesive iPads. That's a good one to have too. So far, I'm pretty impressed. Okay, what else do we got in here? Some dental floss. I guess if you want to be in the bush and have good clean teeth. Gloves, 2 pieces. Nice. You don't want to get AIDS while you're out there in the bush. Pardon the pun. Band-Aids, bandages, big and small. Oh, here's the packing list right here. 6 pieces of the dots, 5 pieces, 30. This would have been perfect. This would have solved their problem right away. But what I had to do was get out the Curlax, get out the wrap it, and then tape it, and it just it didn't look very good. Some Curlax PVT bandage. I don't know what this is, but this is like put around your wrist before you inject yourself type thing. Stop the bleeding maybe. Small little tourniquet. Some tape, micropore tape. Safety pins. I tell you, the power of the dollar is, oh, and a whistle. This might be the most important thing in this thing, is the whistle. That is awesome that they did that. The power of the dollar these days is insane. There is no way I would be able to spend $10 on all this stuff. It's mind blower to me. It really is. And it comes in a case, and it's not huge. It's small enough you can put in your bag, you can put in your car, you can put in your truck. Sounds like a commercial. So you get it. You get what I'm getting at. So something to think about it. Think about. Even when you're on the boat. I'm going to buy another one for the boat so I can always have it in there. Because, you know, it's just life. When you're doing stuff, weird stuff happens. And you try to manage the weirdness as best you can. Like we said, and I've said before, like we said in the Army, hope for the best, prepare for the worst. And I tell you what, the worst does happen when you least expect it. And if you can manage the worst, then, you know, you'll be fine. If you can't manage it, then you're going to be a casualty. I don't know about these. I guess I'll keep them in there. And then it all zips up. And it's red, so you can see it. Look at the black one. You don't want it to be, like, you know, totally discreet and you don't know what it is. Get the red one that says, this is to save lives. Okay, I say that tongue-in-cheek because it's just, you know, Band-Aids and Curlex and stuff. But you never know. So, that's my story. The VRIEXSD first aid kit. Great stuff. Check it out. $9.99. Cheers.